Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Elevate Daily, the place where we turn boys into men and men into legends. If you're new here, we drop life-changing tips on grooming, style, and self-improvement every week. So, hit that subscribe button and join the squad of well-groomed, confident men. Today, we're talking about something that can make or break your look, your beard. Whether you're rocking a full lumberjack vibe or just starting to grow your first patchy masterpiece, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Stop right there. Before you swipe away, let me ask you this. Is your beard secretly ruining your chances with women, at work, or even in life? Sounds dramatic, but hear me out. A study found that 76% of people judge a man's attractiveness based on his beard. But here's the kicker. It's not just about having a beard. It's about how you take care of it. A patchy, itchy, or unkempt beard can make you look lazy, while a well-groomed one can make you look like a total boss. So, if you've ever wondered why your beard feels like a Brillo pad, why it's not growing the way you want, or what beard style actually suits your face shape, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down the ultimate beard care routine, revealing the best beard styles for your face shape, and sharing some pro tips to take your beard game to the next level. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to turn your beard from a hot mess to a hot asset. Let's get started. How to take care of your beard. First things first, let's talk about beard care. A great beard doesn't just happen, it takes work. Here's your step-by-step guide to keeping your beard looking sharp and feeling soft. Wash it right. Use a beard-specific shampoo 2 to 3 times a week. Regular shampoo can dry out your beard, and nobody wants a scratchy, flaky beard. Moisturize daily, apply beard oil every day to keep it soft, shiny, and itch-free. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Brush it out. Invest in a good beard comb or brush. This helps distribute the oil evenly and keeps your beard looking neat. Trim regularly. Even if you're growing it out, trim the split ends every 2 to 3 weeks to keep it healthy. Eat right, your beard needs nutrients too. Foods rich in protein, vitamins, and healthy fats will help it grow thicker and faster. Part 2, beard styles for every face shape. Now that your beard is looking fresh, let's talk about styles. Not every beard works for every face shape, so here's the breakdown. Round face. Go for a square beard with sharp lines to add definition. Avoid a bushy beard. It'll make your face look even rounder. Square face. Soften your jawline with a rounded beard or a goatee. It balances out your strong features. Oval face. Lucky you. You can pull off almost any style. Try a full beard or a stubble look. Long face. Keep it short on the sides and fuller at the chin to add width. A Balbo beard works great here. Triangle face. Balance your narrow chin with a full beard that adds volume to the lower part of your face. Part 3, pro tips for beard growth and maintenance. Now, let's dive into some pro tips to take your beard game to the next level. These are the secrets most guys don't know about. Be patient. Growing a beard takes time. Don't give up if it looks patchy at first. Most beards fill in after 4 to 6 weeks. Use beard balm for extra hold and shine. Especially if you have a longer beard, use beard balm. It's like hair gel for your beard. Train your beard. Use a comb to train your beard to grow in the right direction. This helps avoid awkward curls or stray hairs. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin and beard healthy from the inside out. Avoid stress. Stress can actually slow down beard growth. So take time to relax and unwind. Your beard will thank you. Part 4, common beard mistakes to avoid. Alright. Let's talk about the biggest beard mistakes most guys make and how to avoid them. Overwashing. Washing your beard too often strips away natural oils. Stick to 2 to 3 times a week. Skipping trims. Even if you're growing it out, regular trims are a must to keep it looking neat. Using the wrong products. Not all beard oils and balms are created equal. Invest in quality products. Ignoring the neckline. A clean neckline is crucial for a polished look. Don't let your beard just blend into your chest. Giving up too soon. Beard growth is a journey. Stick with it and you'll see results. Before we wrap up, let me ask you, which beard style are you rocking right now? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one. And if you're enjoying this video, do me a favor, smash that like button and share it with your bearded or soon-to-be bearded buddies. Let's help more men level up their beard game. Alright, gents, now it's your turn to take action. Start with one tip from this video today, whether it's washing your beard properly, picking the right style for your face shape, or just grabbing some beard oil. Remember, a great beard is just the beginning. of becoming the best version of yourself. Oh, and if you want to know the secrets to growing thicker, healthier hair, click on this video right here. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.